Hey guys, it's Chad with AA Patio Covers. We're in Tacoma, Washington today. We just finished this 10 by 16 all aluminum flat pan patio cover. I'll give you a little walk around, show you the details. So originally they had a wood structure here we tore down yesterday. Came back and installed it. This is a fascia mount. So we tie back in through into all the rafter tails. Has a 4-inch I-beam, 2 mag posts. This is already all here. You can see we got a downspout on one side. Walk around the outside. See all these details. Flat pan's a really good look. Kind of looks like a tongue and groove. Has a embossed wood grain in it. You can kind of see through the video. Yeah, the customer backs up to this green belt and they just get pelted by pine cones and needles all day. So this is gonna be great for them. The original cover was a couple feet shorter everywhere. So, all right, thanks for looking. Please like and subscribe, comment if you need to. We appreciate it.